Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We will learn how to fix this channel which cannot be displayed on Telegram. Without further ado, let's get started. First, close your Telegram app and open your Telegram account in a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you have logged in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. These are the menu options. Click on them to open the sidebar. In the sidebar, you will see several options. From this list, click on Settings to access your account settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Click on Privacy and Security and continue scrolling down the page. You will eventually come across an option labeled Sensitive Content. This is where you can adjust the settings for filtering explicit content. To enable access to 18+ content or disable content filtering, simply check the box next to this option. After you have checked the box, your settings will automatically be updated. You can now view or disable sensitive content in your Telegram account. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your privacy settings. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.